guys, and I'm back with this review on this Hornby Railroad loco, I believe. This one is a county class, and this is the it's a 460 variety. I think they do a smaller 4401 as well. This is the mixed traffic one in its lined Great Western livery, and this is the county of Cornwall. Very nice loco, got it quite cheap. We shall get into the review. Here is some model information. Dapol and Hornby have both produced the 10X, or the county class, in 00 gauge. So as we move on to the front of the loco, sadly it's all moulded at the front here. There's no lampines to talk about, there's no separately applied cement spark darts, no painting on the hinges, but there is fine handrails either side, so if you can see that there and there. There is sprung buffers, believe it or not. Don't want to shake my fat fingers. We have some I think it's brake pipe work there for the coaches, vacuum pipe, sorry. We have the massive decoupling, which I'm a fan of. No lining on the buffer beam, but there's the number 1006, and these rivets too. As we move on to the side of the loco, it gives you an idea of the livery, which is in the Great Western green with the red and black, or is it orange and black lining. We have the nameplate there, which is not etched or anything. We also have the row number there, which I told you 1006. We have some plastic work going on here from Hornby. It's expected in their range. But the wheels are very nicely made. I do like the wheels. We have the, I think that's the safety valve and the whistle. They're all plastic. And with a handrail there, like I said, we have some more moulded stuff here. It's basically full of moulded stuff. And you can see through to the other side there as well. And we have the chest down here is not lined. Onto the other side of the loco now. Much the same, but the only difference is this pipe work here. We have I think it's a superheater there, and we also have the pipe, the handrail jutting out here to go round to the smoke box dart area. We have the reverse there, which is plastic, unfortunately. Failing that, there's not much difference around here. As we move on to the cab area itself, we have the glazing in the cab and the side windows, and the cab windows there and the side. We have a printed number. Crisp, all this is crisp. We have the orange or red lining there. We have a separately applied handrails. We have a few rivets on top. Nothing really to shout about. The vents don't slide open, they're moulded too. We have some steps and some pipe work under there. As we move on to the tender, we have the Great Western crest and GW for Great Western, obviously. We have the red or orange lining again. I can't make my mind up which one it is. We have the handrail separately applied there and there. We have, I think it's something for the water scoop. I can't think what it's called. The coal load is, well, half there, half not. You just see a little bit there. Not sure if it's removable. And the rest of the stuff on the tender is moulded as well. As we move on to the back of the tender, we have the sprung buffers again. We have some more vacuum pipes. We have steps, a little bit out of scale, but they're fine. We have two separate applied handrails there and there, and there and there, and some rivets on the buffer beam there, and a big decoupling as well. Here is the underneath of the loco. The brake rigging was already applied, same on the tender too, and that's the connection there. If you just pull it, it's that, and it goes in there, like so, and that's how it is. So yeah, that's it on the tracks. Next up will be slow running and points test, and second radius, sorry, as well. So next up is the slow running on the second radius, and then I'll find a running partner. So here goes. Guys, before I get into my opinion on the loco, I'll show you what was in the yard and what they ran. So over here we have a really old Saint class by Hornby, and this is tender, and it's a nice loco when it decides to run, but you have to warm it up. King Stephen, lovely loco. 2000 era was, in my opinion, Hornby's best era. That's just my opinion. And then next we have a London pannier tank with, I think, some sort of equipment truck. I do know the name of it, I just forgot. And obviously we had the 72XX at Hornby again. That originally was doing passenger, and now it's doing literally a mixed freight. Some LMS, some Christmas. I think that could be Great Western. That could be Great Western too. Northeastern, etc. And then obviously we had the county class that was doing a mixed freight. It had some parcel trucks, some oil, some coal, you name it, it had it. And then coach wise, it had some BR stock and a Great Western one, just for variety. Just to let you know, the cab hasn't got any detail. It's in there, but it's moulded and it's not painted, so I didn't show it. I do apologise. So yeah, my opinion of it. Railroad, steam locos, I've had no problem whatsoever with any of them. The only one I had a problem with really was my Duke of Gloucester, which got sorted. It wouldn't do a front coupling, and Hornby knew about that. But all the rest are totally fine, superb runners. Would I recommend one? I would actually. I would. It's a nice variety, even if you get a depot one, because I think it's the same. Just I think the motor's been moved from there to there. But these locos do look nice in a BR black as well, line BR black may I add. So yeah, I would recommend one if you're into your steam and you want a cheap loco, because they were pretty cheap. I think I paid £62 for mine, brand new, which is not too bad. So yeah, if you see any more other locos you want reviewing or whatever, I will do it, or even just running in a video. I really don't mind. It keeps me busy. So yeah, there will be another channel at the end of the end card. The ones who support me, I'll support them. I'll give them a shout out at the end. So yeah, until next time, guys, it's goodbye from these beauties. It's goodbye from me.